Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most important meals of the day, breakfast. But not just any breakfast, we're diving into healthy, high-protein breakfast meal ideas that will fuel your day and keep you feeling full and energized. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or just want to eat healthier, these recipes are perfect for you. Let's jump right in. A high-protein breakfast is essential for several reasons. It helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels, which keeps your energy consistent throughout the day. Protein also plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth, and it helps you feel full longer, reducing the temptation for unhealthy snacking later in the day. Whether you're active or just looking to maintain a balanced diet, starting your day with a good dose of protein is the way to go. First up is a delicious and easy-to-make Greek yogurt parfait. It's perfect for a quick breakfast that's packed with protein. Simply layer the yogurt, berries, and granola in a bowl or a glass. Sprinkle with chia seeds for an extra protein boost, and you're done. This parfait offers around 20 grams of protein depending on your yogurt choice. Next, we have a classic veggie omelet. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, and adding vegetables makes this meal nutrient-dense and satisfying. Beat the eggs in a bowl, pour them into a heated pan, and add your veggies. Cook until the eggs are firm, then fold the omelet in half. This meal provides about 12 grams of protein and a ton of vitamins and minerals. If you're in a hurry, this protein smoothie is a lifesaver. It's quick, customizable, and loaded with protein. Ingredients shown on screen. 1 scoop of protein powder, your choice. 1 cup almond milk, 1 banana. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. A handful of spinach, optional. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and you're ready to go. This smoothie can have up to 25 grams of protein depending on your protein powder. Finally, let's make a quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a complete protein and works great for breakfast. Ingredients shown on screen: half a cup cooked quinoa, 1 boiled egg sliced, 1/4 avocado diced, a handful of cherry tomatoes halved, a drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper. Start with a base of cooked quinoa, then add the sliced egg, avocado, and tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and season to taste. This dish offers about 15 grams of protein and is super filling. To help you stay on track, here's a complete weekly breakfast plan using these high-protein meal ideas. Monday, Greek yogurt parfait. Tuesday, veggie omelet. Wednesday, protein smoothie. Thursday, quinoa breakfast bowl. Friday, scrambled eggs with turkey bacon. Saturday, cottage cheese with fresh berries and nuts. Sunday, whole grain toast with avocado and a poached egg. With this plan, you'll have a delicious and nutritious start to every day. Just mix and match to keep things exciting. And there you have it. Healthy, high-protein breakfast ideas that are easy to make and incredibly satisfying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more healthy eating tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.